Introduction to DeFi. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a system that makes financial products available on a public decentralized blockchain network. The term came into being when a group of software developers was trying to name the new breed of non-traditional financial services. The financial services were automated, built on a blockchain, and can get rid of banks or other intermediaries. Decentralized finance can be accessed by anyone in the loop, as there are no middlemen to offer the services. The people don't have to go to banks or brokerages. To state this more straightforwardly, the user doesn't need proof of address, a government-issued security number, or an ID to incorporate the usage of DeFi. DeFi refers to a phenomenon by which software written on the blockchain lets buyers, sellers, borrowers, and lenders trade digital assets, get loans, take out insurance, and interact peer-to-peer. The goal of decentralization is achieved by a diverse set of technologies and protocols. Smart contracts have a significant role in automating agreement terms between the different action and risk takers in the loop, thus making financial products possible. In short, no matter what technology is in use, the DeFi systems are designed to eliminate intermediaries between two parties. Thus, decentralization is the ultimate goal. History of DeFi. The foundation of DeFi came in 2008 Bitcoin white paper setting out the framework for digital cash. The use of digital cash explored as Ethereum came into being a couple of years later. MakerDAO was the first stable coin-based lending platform acting as the DeFi platform that received significant usage. December 2017 is considered as the turning point for finance with MakerDAO. As MakerDAO was launched, people felt the independence to do more things with their money and send it from one point to another. MakerDAO is an Ethereum-based protocol allowing people to issue a cryptocurrency pegged at 1-to-1 to the US dollar currency using the digital assets as collateral. It means that one can access a loan without relying on a middleman or a centralized entity. This lending protocol of MakerDAO and stablecoin DAI offered the first building blocks for a new open and permissionless financial system. The other financial systems and protocols were launched after that. Traits and attributes of DeFi. An extensive range of characteristics is associated with decentralized finance. For starters, the distributed networks permit people to control their assets, which can be transformed from one location to another without needing a middleman. It means that DeFi apps are non-custodial. The second attribute revolves around the network being open and global with no borders, and anyone can access it. It wouldn't be wrong to claim that DeFi apps are the internet of value, as the process is like the internet, but money is being transferred instead of data and information. Transparency is yet another workable characteristic of decentralized finance. Anyone can access and inspect it and verify how the protocol works. The process helps track the money exactly where it is. Additionally, the DeFi system is composable, allowing developers to build on top of others' applications, thus accelerating innovation and leveraging each other's value. Pros and cons of DeFi systems. There are some pros and cons associated with the DeFi system. Decentralization makes DeFi complicated to censor, but significant computational energy is required to do so. The maintenance of records across a network of computers is a heavy-duty process that slows things down. Moreover, the process becomes expensive. Additionally, the transactional fees are reaching new heights due to the very reason. One advantage of DeFi systems is to ensure the limited interference of intermediaries in the process. The user doesn't have to worry about a financial institution failing, getting control of their holdings, or confiscating the assets. The digital assets are kept safe through the passcode. However, if you lose it or someone steals your passcode, get ready to forget the crypto holdings. The last pro of DeFi is it being open and accessible to everyone, but it also gives the hackers an excellent chance to do a cybercrime. Therefore, it would be acceptable to state that the DeFi systems have a fair share of pros and cons based on the features it brings to the table. Introduction to Decentralized Exchange. The decentralized exchange, also known as DEXs, operates in a decentralized fashion without facing any interference from a third party or a middleman. It allows the user to have access to peer-to-peer transactions. The decentralized cryptocurrency exchange facilitates digital coins trading, and traders make the transactions directly to the person without going through banks or brokerage firms. These transactions are assisted through self-executing agreements written in a program called smart contracts. Smart contracts do a phenomenal job of operating automated order books, making them purely peer-to-peer. However, different exchangers work on unique workability and infrastructure. Workability of decentralized exchange. Before getting into the depth of DEXs, it is mandatory to understand how they work and function in a system. So let us dive in. The decentralized exchanges are put on the top of blockchain networks that play a primary role in supporting smart contracts. Smart contracts are a space where users have custody of their funds. As a transaction or trade occurs, the users are subjected to pay the transactional fee. In short, the traders interact with the smart contract code on the blockchain to use DEXs. While we are on a decentralized exchange, it requires informing the general public and beginners about the types of DEXs. There are primarily three types of decentralized exchanges. Automated market makers. The automated market makers, AMM, depend on smart contracts to solve the liquidity problem. Acting as the blockchain-based service, AMMs are provided information from exchanges and platforms to fix the price of traded assets known as blockchain oracles. The smart contracts of these decentralized exchanges use pre-funded tools of assets called liquidity pools. The liquidity pools let the traders initiate the orders and earn interest in a trustless and permissionless fashion. The liquidity pools play a vital role in handling the volatility of cryptocurrency. Order book DEXs. The next type of decentralized exchange is the order book. The order books perform the compilation of records of all open orders so that buying and selling can occur. The buy orders represent that the trader is all in to bid for an asset at a price. The sell orders, on the other hand, signify that the trader is ready for a specific price for the digital assets under review. The order book DEXs offer a fair share of advantages to the liquidity problem. The trading market has witnessed substantial bid orders and ask orders. Therefore, if the owner is willing to sell their crypto, they can easily access buying orders that match their needs. DEX aggregators. DEX aggregators incorporate the usage of protocols and mechanisms to get rid of the liquidity concern. The platforms do a phenomenal job in aggregating the liquidity from some DEXs. The process helps control the slippage on big orders, optimize the token prices, and offer the traders the best price in a short time. To define it in easy terms, the DEX aggregators have two duties to perform. They protect the users from the pricing effects and minimize the likelihood of failed transactions. Pros of decentralized exchange. There are some benefits of using decentralized exchange. For starters, the DEXs include any token that is minted on the blockchain. In simpler words, the new projects would be listed on the exchanges before being available on their centralized counterparts. Additionally, there is minimal risk of hacking because no third party is there to interfere with the transfer process. It means better security and protection in comparison to centralized crypto exchanges. Due to the peer-to-peer transactions, market manipulation is also limited. Moreover, the users are saved from fake and wash trading. Furthermore, the users don't have to mention the KYC information, thus bringing anonymity and privacy to the stakeholders. Cons of decentralized exchange. However, there are some negative pointers associated with the usage of the decentralized exchange. There is significant complexity in the process. It states that the user has to remember the keys and passwords to the crypto wallets, or else the digital assets would be lost forever. The decentralized exchanges limit the trading of fiat money for digital ones. Along with this, the users of DEXs have to go through a diverse range of liquidity struggles. It is because centralized crypto exchange accounts for 99% of transactions, holding most of the trading volume. It reduces the buying and selling volume for DEXs and becomes extremely difficult to find buyers and sellers. An overview on the best decentralized exchanges in the markets. There are a lot of DEX exchanges that you can come across in the markets. However, being a new member in the crypto fraternity, it is important to be aware of the best decentralized exchanges present in the market. Uniswap. Uniswap is the top-tier DEX crypto, an Ethereum-based decentralized protocol that aims to trade ERC20 tokens and solve the lack of liquidity of DEXs. This is done by removing third-party intermediaries for cheap, fast, and efficient trading with concentrated liquidity. This advancing exchange has recently launched Uniswap v3, with a more flexible fee structure and improved market cap efficiency. Uniswap has gained quite a few users and access to a broad range of tokens with a user-friendly display. Currently, there are around 5,500 tokens available to this open-source software, with a fee of 0.3% per trading. As this exchange is completely decentralized, it encourages liquidity providers, investors, and traders to show their involvements in the DEX market. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is another decentralized exchange built on the source code of Uniswap. Thence, it's a mirror image of Uniswap with a similar and very minimal interface, making it easy to use for every age group. But unlike the latter, PancakeSwap is based on Binance Smart Chain, which allows the trading of BEP20 tokens and lower gas fees. As it is completely decentralized, the users control the DEX themselves using cake tokens, which are also considered the heart of the PancakeSwap ecosystem. PancakeSwap has a TVL of $11 billion for its substantial range of supply and market cap of $4.7 billion. This exchange has shot up in popularity because of its very reasonable fee of 0.2% per transaction and no withdrawal fee if one wants to reverse his transaction. Currently, this DEX supports 290 tokens, including Doge, SHIB, and SafeMoon. 1inch Exchange. 1inch Exchange is a DeFi aggregator that combines all the DEX crypto protocols and sourcing their liquidity to provide a cost-efficient, swift, and secure swapping of assets. This diverse exchange provides a myriad of tokens associated with 50 liquidity sources on Ethereum, 50 tokens on Binance Smart Chain, and more than 8 tokens on Polygon. The best part of 1inch Exchange is its inexpensive factor. This exchange only charges for the transaction fee. Other than that, it doesn't require a deposit fee or withdrawal fees. Moreover, the Kai gas token it provides is a cherry on top that lowers the gas fee on Ethereum. 1inch Exchange is a non-profit organization that makes it stand out from other decentralized exchanges. DYDX. DYDX is one of the top-rated decentralized exchanges based on Ethereum that aims to create a self-sustaining protocol by encouraging decentralized governance and traders. It offers interest over the funds deposited over time and advanced trade features with no risks and a margin 4 times leverage. Because of the decentralized nature of DYDX, the user is in control of his funds completely, which further allows him to borrow any assets while keeping his holdings as collateral. Apart from an aesthetically pleasing dark interface, this open platform supports enhanced liquidity and 25% purchasing power with a starting fee of only $10. With its fair trade and transparent products, DYDX has made its name among the most popular decentralized exchange. Final thoughts. Decentralized exchanges come up with pros and cons. The beginners and experts in the crypto world are recommended to undergo thorough research regarding the workability of DeFi and DEXs. It would help them access better facilities and earn through the crypto world as much as possible.